Hi everybody, this is what it looks like when you take original PPS net built for the M870 shotgun and you transform it into a solid shell catcher, because everyone who have used the net know this inconvenient, and nothing beats something like a solid, rock solid shell catcher. I think it's a first one in the Airsoft history. I make a few research and I never saw anything like that, so hope it will work fine. I never tried it. I just finished it, just painted in a beautiful matte black, something like 4 or 5 paint coats. That's the bottom, and as you can see there's 2 screws on each side to make it flip like that. So as you can see, this part goes directly on the shotgun, and then every time you load an ejected shell it goes straight into the box, and then you can unload it by below, by this way. Basically what I've done is take the original one and try to suppress all the mistakes they did on it, because I guess the guys from PPS went on something really cheap, easy to solve, and nothing like elaborated. So I decided to make my own deal. I had every time the cartridge that jammed at the exit of the shotgun, because of the opening that was too small. So now it's wide open. I guess nothing could jam now. So here's the first part, the presentation, the finished product. I just have to mount it now on the shotgun and try for the first time if it really works. So see you next. Here we go, guys. So basically this is what it looks like once it's mounted on the shotgun. As you can see, it fits perfectly well. You can see the original PPS part here that's come from the original net. So I just got it back and put it on my brand new system right here. You can see I just cut it the metal edge to fit the plastic part here, which is basically a vent pipe I bought in a do-it-yourself shop. So you get the bottom here, as I said before, I open to let the cartridge drop. So here you can see once it's closed, you just have enough space to handle the shotgun. Another time, just enough space, and now we can load a bunch of cartridge. So here I got the metal PPS CO2 cartridge that I don't use anymore because it doesn't work very well. So I basically use the original one, but I just keep this one for the purpose of showing you if it works. So every owner of a PPS knows how it's loaded. It's basically like the real steel shotgun. So now we have it. It's loaded, and let's go for the real test. Guys, here's the first try. I'm gonna try my homemade shell catcher and see if it works. Safety on. Damn it! It's working. Lovely. Last one, last drop. Okay. Have to work a little bit on the exit. But damn it, it's work. It's what I've been waiting. Thanks a lot, guys.